The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that specializes in the highest quality of whiteboard walls available worldwide. Draw It Paint is constantly undergoing tests and procedures to ensure industry-leading, top-quality products with 3 selections to choose from. Recruit, Unique, and Limitless are guaranteed to suit all your dry erase paint needs.
About what the team environment is like and kind of the atmosphere in the office?
Yeah, man, my team is awesome. So this past weekend, I was with one of my teammates, Santi King. He was running in a ultra. I don't know if you're familiar with those, but yeah, he was running in his second 100-mile ultra, and I was actually out there every time he came across the start-finish line, videotaping. I mean, he started at 1 in the morning on Saturday morning and went all the way until Sunday, right? So this is a long race. On your feet, and so that shows some of the determination we have in our office. But the character of our office is basically people who care about other human beings. I just keep it simple. I have one of the guys in my office. He has a program that he put together that helps pair single mothers and to purchase duplexes and combine their income, things like that. I have another one of my teammates who coaches college track. We have another teammate on mine. One of our teammates is actually a full-time actor. We let him go do that acting stuff, but then he comes back and crushes it. He was the #1 in the Midwest, Ryan McGrath, for the last 2 months straight. So what we believe is that everybody is unique, and we want to just be kind of more of a family, fun, laid-back, cool environment. I would say we're a younger demographic than what you're going to find in most lending institutions. The average age of a loan officer is still about 50 to 55. So the younger loan officers are more rare due to regulation. Regulation makes it a lot harder for loan officers to get in the business. And then once you're in the business, you got to find somebody who really has time to train you. And if you're that good, you usually are just going to do loans. So it's one of those industries where you're finding a young group who cares about people and not chasing a check is extremely rare. I think we have a pretty solid character, I think.
My name is Ryan. This is the time of year that we are all thinking of how we can give back and support those less fortunate than ourselves. You may give to a food shelf, buy a toy for kids that may not have too many, or volunteer your time to make someone's day awesome. Tickets for Kids Charities provides tens of thousands of inspiring moments to kids all year long. By providing a ticket to a ball game, theater, or museum, they're bringing families together to strive for a better tomorrow. At PRMG, we support their mission to ensure every child has the opportunity to feel included and valued in our community's cultural centers. That is why we have developed Purchase with a Purpose. This program provides a creative option for you to give back to a charity when you purchase your next home. PRMG will significantly reduce your closing costs and provide a donation of up to $1,000 for Tickets for Kids charities in your honor. If you're buying a home this season and want your charitable giving to go further, we invite you to partner with us. Learn how you can participate at prmg.net/ticketsforkids or by visiting ticketsforkids.org.